Hey everyone, want to speed up video generation in Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to reduce waiting time and improve your AI video workflow step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign into your account. Next, prepare your video idea before generating. Having a clear concept and prompt ready can help you avoid multiple unnecessary generations. Now write shorter and more focused prompts. Avoid adding too many complex details at once because overly complicated scenes may take longer to process. Next, use optimized input images if you're creating image-to-video projects. A clear, properly sized image can help the AI process your request more efficiently. Adjust your video settings when possible. Using shorter video lengths or lower quality previews can help you test ideas faster before creating the final version. Next, check your internet connection and make sure your browser is updated for smoother performance. Avoid generating many videos at the same time if your account or system has processing limits. Finally, organize your best prompts and settings so you can quickly recreate successful videos without starting from scratch. And that's how to speed up video generation in Luma AI. By using better prompts, optimized inputs, and efficient workflows, you can create AI videos faster and more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.